think the answer is yes. I think we just set the default. Do we have trailing white space? No. Yeah, I think we do. Which is 16 bits. Signed. Little endian. I wonder, is that something you can set in FFmpeg? Codecs? Let's skip all that. Planar. Okay. I don't think this will have what I want. I think we were just here. Yeah, and there's no planar here either. Planar PCM audio. Right, okay, yeah. It doesn't look like you can even set that in FFmpeg, so we might just ignore it. Ignore it. Does that make sense? I think so, because what we're doing is we're asking sndio to give us audio in one of the formats, so I think if we just ignore this, it'll be fine. I mean, if we look at our crib, I don't think they set it anywhere. MSB, yeah, they don't set it anywhere, so we'll just ignore it. Maybe it's set somewhere further up the stack, that's fine. Okay, now we just do this grunt work. Right. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Because you don't have emptiness on single bytes. And this is the default. The default, we're going 16.1. I think that makes sense. Okay, set params from codec ID. We want to do that. Yeah, let's get rid of that. What did we pull in for this? I think we pulled in the macros. So we'll get rid of that. Yeah. Okay, what is this? Oh, this actually might be... Yeah, okay. Let's go here. Yeah, okay. We can hardcode that down, whoops, down here. We can get rid of this. Set params from codec ID. We'll set our parameters based off codec ID, I think. Codec ID, yep, that looks right. Is that all we need to do? Hang on. Clearly messed up some key bindings here. I'll have to fix that later. Oh. I don't think we want to do that at all. Yeah, I don't think we want to do that at all. I think we want to leave that. The question... Set format. Cannot set format. The thing I'm concerned about. Right, because they check. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, we'll do this. Okay. So we'll add this back in. The problem here is that we do actually want to do some checks to see if we were supplied a valid codec, one that we can deal with, rather than ignoring the fact that the user asks for something that we don't know how to handle, which is actually what currently happens, but that's not a good design, so we'll fix that. We'll just pick this up. Yeah. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. That's fine. So we go if, oh, I'll have to make sure to get rid of any tabs. If codec ID equals, nope. Now, right. If it's AV codec ID none, then we'll set it to default codec ID. Yeah. And then, whoops. Yeah, then we'll check this immediately. We'll say if par.bits equals 0 is really what we're doing. Even though that's a bit of a grotty way of doing it. You know what? We can actually return. Nah, this is fine. This is fine. It's grotty. If it gets picked up in code review, we'll fix it. Is this a tab? No, good. Is this a long line as well? Whoa, what is happening? That's better. That's 88, so that is a long line. This is 90. Well, whatever, we'll keep it. Again, code review. Okay. That might even be enough. It might not be, but it might be. Well, let's try and build. Let's see what happens. Where's my cursor? Still gone. Okay. Gmake. Okay, didn't like that. Oh. Unidentified context. Yep, that's fair. It's called something else, right? S1, I think. Yeah. Any other words of wisdom? Defaults to int. Oh, yeah. Non-void function does not have a return value. No, it does. Okay. Okay.